Hey, welcome back to another video of editing basics. In this video we are going to learn how to create an infographic with GetStencil. Creating an infographic in GetStencil is simple with the right approach to layout, text, image and icons. First of all, go to getstencil.com and log in to your account. Click on Create New Design to open a blank canvas. Choose a format that suits an infographic layout such as portrait orientation for a longer design. Now, plan your infographic layout. Sketch a quick layout or plan the section of your infographic. Common section includes header, body section and conclusion. In the header, you can write a title and main message. Go to the Add Text button and add a text here. In the body section, you can use icon shapes and text to present different points. And in the conclusion section, summarize key information or encourage viewers to take action. Divide your infographic into clear sections with each highlighting one idea or status. To make each section visually distinct, use different icon and color to represent various data points or themes. You can choose a color palette within 2 or 3 colors that complement each other. Consistent color and font will create a unified look. Double check that all text and section are clear and evenly spaced. You can adjust the alignment of element if needed to make sure the infographic flows well from top to bottom. When your infographic is complete, click Save to keep your design and click on Download button to export the infographic in high quality PNG or JPG format. By following these steps, you can design a polished and informative infographic with GetStencil. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.